So hello friends, welcome to my video. So today we will learn about 5 science and space events to watch for in 2021. This is the picture of NASA's Perseverance rover fires up its distant state engines as it nears the Martian surface in the illustration. So this rover flies up to Mars. So this is Race to Mars. Probabs from China, US and UAE are set to arrive on Mars in February 2021. All three missions were launched in July 2020. China's Tianwen 1 mission, which is said to be first to land, will look for water and signs of life using cameras, radar, practical analyzers and other instruments. If touchdown is successful, this will be the first exploration of the planet by a probe carrying an orbiter, a lander, and a rover all in one. The United Arab Emirates Hope Orbiter US Perseverance rover mission should arrive at Mars around the same time. The Hope mission is set to study daily and seasonal weather cycles to understand how to read planet's climate and weather differs from that of the Earth. Perseverance, which includes a helicopter drone, aims to look for signs of past life on Mars as well as water. This is a video on Mars. You can see now. So this rover will now check in Mars if it is have water or not. If it is have, then it will report to Mars, and there are many cameras as you can see in this rover, and very detailed with many machines, and it has 6 legs or tires. Now it will check the existence of water in the Mars. So this is the first jabs of the vaccines. A Serum Institute of India employs checks vials of the COVID-19 vaccines. Across the world, mass COVID-19 vaccines programs are set to begin even as the international science community and the pharma industry collaborate at the scale never seen before. India on Friday guaranteed emergency use approval for the Oxford University AstraZeneca vaccine made and distributed Serum Institute of India. The vaccine, which has shown an efficiency rate of 62%, was cleared by UK authorities early last week. But the Director General of India's Central Drugs Standard Control Organization had said it would be reviewed the data independently on 2 January. State governments conducted a dry run of the vaccine drive in their capital cities, Serum Institute has said that has reserved 75 million doses of the vaccine for India and could increase this to 100 million doses in January. In India, a select group of 300 million people will get the vaccines first. 10 million healthcare workers, 20 million frontline workers with 270 million people over the age of 50 along with those under 50 comorbidities. Identify these groups will be a challenge, but it's definitely a list to look forward to. Cleaning up space. Astroscale has entered a technical cooperation with the European Space Agency to develop a space debris removal service. Masses of junk are floating around in space, and a project to try and cleaning up the debris will be launched in March 2021 on a Russia-Soyuz rocket from Kazakhstan. The end of life services by Astroscale demonstration ELSA-D mission of a 175 kg servicer and a 117 kg client that will try to capture orbital debris. The number of dead and dying satellites, other space junk is expected to increase in the coming years. As satellite development costs fall and more private companies send spacecraft, satellite and other objects into low Earth orbit. India's PSLV C-51 launch. File photo of the launch of ISRO's PSLV C-50 CMS-01 mission. The PSLV C-51 will be the Indian Space Research Organization's first launch of 2020. It will carry 3 privately built Indian satellites and one from Brazil. India has scheduled its first crewed mission into space, Gaganyaan, in December 2021, but the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted schedules to uncrewed missions, one in December 2020 and one in July 2021, were to have preceded the crewed launch. The revised timeline is now August 2022. The pandemic has also delayed other big-ticket missions that ISRO had planned for the year, including India's first solar mission, Aditya L1, scheduled for mid-20. James Webb Space Telescope launch. Technicians conduct final tests on the James Webb Space Telescope in December. In October, the long-awaited James Webb Space Telescope, expected to be the most powerful space telescope, will be launched. The $8.8 billion telescope will follow in the stardust of the Hubble telescope, which was launched in 1990 and has made over 1.3 million observations since. The Webb telescope will be able to cover greater wavelengths than the Hubble and allow scientists to peer deeper into the universe. They will get to observe the galaxies that first formed and see stars forming planetary systems. The final series of the tests for its deployment were completed in December 2020, taking it one step closer to its launch in 2021. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.